Hi guys, we're out today replacing a frozen wheel cylinder on this Nissan Micra. Let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is undo this dust cap here on the wheel bearing. It's just a chisel, and behind it tap it out with a hammer. And with that off, what I'm going to do is get an impact on this and gun it out. This is an aftermarket bearing in there, so it looks like a 26 or something there, but yours might be a 30 if it's got the original bearing in it. I was wrong, it's a 27mm, but again, aftermarket bearing, yours might be a different size. With that bolt undone, we should be able to just slide it off. So here's the wheel cylinder. We're going to go behind it and remove this brake line here. What you could do is clamp it off, but what I found the best way to do is if you apply the brake pedal, that causes all the ABS and everything to work, and it will allow a little bit of fluid out through here, but then it will allow no more. So it'll be easier to bleed it rather than trying to bleed all of this pipe. You'll just bleed the wheel cylinder itself instead. To undo that brake line, I'll be using a 10mm brake line spanner. So you've got a little outcut there. These hold more of the surface area of the soft fitting there, so it doesn't get damaged. Then with that all the way out, I'm going to use a 10mm socket and ratchet to undo the two retaining bolts, or mounting bolts, for the wheel cylinder itself. And then we're just going to pull it out, and see this one here is moving freely. Flip it over, and that one there is solid, it's not moving at all. So bash a new one in. Then once the brake pedal is released, I'm going to undo this bleed nipple here. I'm going to leave a gravity bleed for a couple of moments whilst I pack up, and then I'll pressure bleed it. Now as you can see, I've left a drip just to show you, but you can see that it's dripping out there nice and freely. Then once you've cleaned all that up and adjusted it, I'm going to help with the E3 technical and torque it down to spec. We're going to refit this dust cover, just gently tap it into place, clean all this up. Right, now the wheels are back on, it's torqued to spec, brake pedal feels mint, handbrake feels mint, car's a good one. Thanks for watching guys, bye.